Hindi nyo naiintindihan yung mga ginagawa nyo dyan, nag-aaway-away kayo, kunwari tulad ng impeachment, ipapasa nyo sa mga korte para sila mag-interpret ng law kung ano nakasulat sa batas, yun yung decision nila based on what's written in the law. So, anong purpose ng Supreme Court ngayon? It only shows that this issue, the impeachment of the Vice President, is purely political. Either gusto namin or ayaw namin si VP, we have to follow the law. Ganun yun. Ayaw lang tanggapin ng
House.
Why not talk about the 4 billion confidential funds of Bongbong Marcos now? Since tapos na yung kay VP. And sa simula pa lang, 'di ba? Nagsabi na yung COA eh.
Unmodified opinion already.
Oh. Wala na talaga yan from the very start. Wala na talaga yan. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congrats. Ikaw na yung bagong pambansang kamao. Pinalitan mo na si Manny Pacquiao.
Congratulations, Mayor Baste, and all concerns to realize this project. It will boost transpo business and our economy. God bless Davao and its constituents.
So, ang kanang 10 buses that are arriving, since dili man gud gina release, hindi nire-release ang budget ng Davao City for the Davao Bus Project. So, tayo na lang gumastos kasi kailangan na talaga natin. But actually, kung sa totoo lang, since 2022, kung talagang pinursu lang ng national government ang DOTR yung project, by 2027, nag-roll out na sana lahat ng mga bus dito sa... Tapos na yung roll out by 2027. Yun yung timeline eh. But yeah, because of politics, they do not want to help Davao City. They want to, make us look bad. Kaya nga, yung sabi ko, ganung klaseng gobyerno tayo, they can sacrifice an entire, population within a territory, an LGU, para lang talaga na it's a bid for the national elections kasi taga dito si Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. So they don't want to see us succeed. Or like I said, yung Davao talaga, we can stand on our own. Kahit man lang sobrang hirap talaga, we can do it. But not kasi yung pera ng bansa talaga is nasa national budget. So kailangan it's a DOTR talaga. It has to be approved by Congress. Yeah. So hindi papalakpak yung Congress niyan kasi napunta sa atin, di ba?
Kakawin kahit pag gustuhin man ng DOTR to fund it, if hindi fundan ng Congress, wala pa din.
Wala yan.